recording. I'll send you a recording of this. Okay, so let's go down here. Okay, so there's that's the neighbor. And so right here, that's where we are right there. And then right here is a property line, right? Actually, it's right there's a corner.
Right.
And, yeah, and it goes that way. And so I cut a road. Take it up a little higher here. So I cut a road down this way. It's right here. And so I'll follow along that. A little faster there. So there's the road. You can see it right along here. And then there's where the road turns. So right there, a little too far here. Back it up. Right there's another corner. Okay. And then it shoots. Yeah. So backwards this way a little bit. Yeah. So right there's this other corner. So that's where it turns around right down there. So there's right about there is the corner. And then it goes this way. I have a video of me, I don't know if you saw it, but I was on my tractor cutting the road. But
Yeah, I tried to look, but doesn't come out from the YouTube.
yeah. So then it goes. Is that you?
Yeah, it's my car.
Let me go this way. So then this runs. Oh, oops, going the wrong way here.
So we were here or we were here?
Yeah, we're here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so then this road here, property line goes. Yeah, right along. Actually, I'm a little. Back. There we go. Okay, so that's where the corner is. Turn it around here. And then it goes along this line here. Yeah, right along there. Right along this road here. Move it over a little bit. And then right here at this little clearing here, right there, actually that's right, oops. Right down there, that's the other corner. And then it goes up along, I cut a road in here, right along here. It goes all the way. Goes all the way over to this. Okay, this is the easement. I gotta go up a little more though. So that, I mean, like that little ditch that right down there, it's like 6-8 foot deep in that little crevice there. So that's, and there's the power line. So there's power and phone on the property. And then I'm just going up the road, so I'll go back down to the corner again. And then it goes, then the property would go this way, down into here, probably right about there somewhere. Right down into, over here is the property line. And then it takes a jog there. And then it goes off into a straight line over there. Right along the property. Let's see what we're looking at here. Where's the allergies? Okay, so there's the property there, the guy's house. And so then, so we're like, it's not quite there yet, so we're, so we come along this way here. And then we come along up to his house. Almost right up to the, like the door. The front door is where the property line used to be. And then it goes yeah, so right about there. That's the other property corner. Then it goes this way 40 feet. And then it goes up along kind of almost right over our head now. And then it goes back down that way. And then, but right over here, somewhere right down over here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, there's the road. Okay, right down. A little more. Oh, there's a hawk right there. Where is that? There's a spring that I dug. But he's got a spring over here, and then I took my tractor and I dug down 4 foot, and water just gurgled up. It's got a decomposed gravel, and I was going to put like a cistern and then pump it out for just irrigation, and then put a well in. You know?
Oh, okay.
But that's basically the property. Now, this part, like right over here, like if you stand, I was standing, I was walking up this I've got a road cut somewhere right up in over here. Yeah, right along here there's this road. You can't see it here, it's kind of growed over now. But you come up this road, and right down here, you can just walk right down there, it flattens out. But if you stand right here, you can see the Cosumnes River over there. And so that's about 1,500 feet to that river.
So the river just out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
So you'll be able to fish down there?
Yeah. I've got another video on my YouTube page of the actual river. I went right down on top of the water as far as I could go. But that's the river right down there. There it is. Yeah. Right along there. That's the Cosumnes River. I'll come back and I'll show. And then this part of the road here, I'm going to go ahead and make that,
Okay.
in the contract, if you decide. But, yeah, I just got my PSA test is high. So I might have cancer. I don't know. I'm going to unload everything. And
So then that situation, they need take more vitamin C, vitamin A, and what they call it, colloidal silver.
Colloidal. I take colloidal silver.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Matter of fact, I just started taking it like 6 months ago, and then and then they said my PSA test is too high. I'm like, what? Maybe the colloidal silver did it. No.
Oh yeah.
No, but I sell gold and silver, and
gold and silver.
Yeah, I sell it online. And,
Oh really?
And so when I'm gonna also sell colloidal silver too.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so here we are back home.
So you sell gold and silver.
Yeah.
You,
Bullion.
I mean,
gold goes up, real estate goes down every time for thousands of years.
I know.
Gold is the best. It's safest.
So how do you do? How to start the business on going?
Yeah, well, okay. So I was in another company. I was their #1 salesman, and we had a disagreement. So I'm opening my own company.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a marketing company. So we sell gold. It's going to be at cost. If you want to, I'm going to sell it, competitively. But if you want to buy, like Amazon, you can buy a premier membership for $200-300 a year. Then you can buy all the gold and silver you want at wholesale price. So there'll be no markup. And then if you refer people, you get a commission.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can get free gold.
Okay, let me know.
Yeah. And so this here, I wanted to. Where are we at?